A volume control expansion device is a type of metering device used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Its primary function is to regulate the volume of refrigerant that enters the evaporator. By controlling the flow, it maintains proper system balance and ensures the evaporator receives the correct amount of refrigerant to absorb heat efficiently. If too much refrigerant enters, it can flood the evaporator. If too little enters, the evaporator will be starved and system performance will drop. Volume control expansion devices are essential for maintaining efficiency and protecting the components of HVACR systems.